How to use Melbet app. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Melbet app. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional Melbet account. To do that, all you have to do is to click on register, click on full registration. After that, all you have to do is to enter your personal information and you scroll down. At the place of promo code, all you have to enter is CAMTV, which is going to give you 300% bonus on your first deposit. So this video is going to be a quick guide on the walkthrough on how to use the app completely. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Melbet app, and the interface will show like this. So there are different things you can do on Melbet app. So at the top, you can see the different games you can play. So there are different games. You can click on sports and you see the different sports you can play. You can click on esports. You can also bet on esports. You can bet on casino. You can bet on fast games. So at the bottom you can see popular games. I click on popular games and I click on top, I will see the popular games right now. If I click on favorite, I will see games that I can add on my favorite list. If I want to add a game to my favorite list, I'll just click on the star at the top of the game. That's it, and the game has been added to my favorite list. Okay, so at the bottom there is bet slip. If I click on bet slip, I can load the bet slip. I can search for an event, an accumulator of the day. So if I click on accumulator of the day, I can have different bets with different odds. So at the bottom there is load bet slip. All I have to do is to enter the code of the bet slip to load the bet slip. At the bottom right, I can see history, my history of betting on Melbet. So this is where I will find the history of betting on Melbet. Okay, so there is menu at the bottom right. What I need to do here, there are a lot of stuff I can do here. There is sport, there is live, there is esport, there is slots. I can deposit money or I can retrieve money from my account. To deposit money, all I have to do is to click on deposit at the top right, and I'll be able to deposit money on my account. As you can see, there is bank cards. There are two cards, Visa card and MasterCard. There are e-wallets. There is AstroPay, StickPay, and Perfect Money. There are payment systems like Eco and Neteller. There is e-currency exchanges like Delta Pronos, and there are cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, and a lot of cryptocurrencies you already know. All you have to do to deposit money on your account is to click on the method you want to use to deposit money on your account, and you're going to proceed. Now, to retrieve money on your account, all you have to do is to click on setting icon at the top right, click on withdraw from account, and all you have to do is to choose the method or the payment method by which you want to use to withdraw money from your account. So that's all what you need to know on how to use the Melbet app.